Schau, wie es aussieht im A380.
There will sit somebody.
I would imagine, yeah, more than likely.
They told maybe the seat stays free. His seat.
I don't think so.
I don't think. Ja, wenn wir schauen, ja.
There's just a few seats,
Ah,
but we'll see.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Can I switch out or
Of course, yeah. Is Munich your final destination?
We're from Austria.
Oh, really? Very nice. I've been to Vienna.
Oh really? We're from Tyrol. You know Tyrol?
No, I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's the other side from Vienna.
Oh, okay, nice.
The mountains and everything.
Na, weil zu Deutsch, oder? Wenn sie von Wien ist.
Nein, sie ist nicht von Wien.
Das ist
Were you in Dubai for a holiday?
Yes, 1 week vacation.
Very nice. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was very nice.
Good.
See the Burj Khalifa was amazing.
Yeah. Did you eat?
We were on the top,
Yeah.
yesterday.
Was it nice?
Yeah, yes. Como gehst du nicht gewusst?
vergessen. 2 days before.
Flight 9 p.m. All the lights.
Nice.